Hello, so today we are going to do this problem, which is part of Leetcode October Daily Challenge. The problem is set mismatch. So we have a set of integers which originally contained all numbers from 1 to n, but there was an error and one of the numbers is duplicated and the other one is missing, right? And so what we want to recover this and find the duplicated number and the missing number. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. The duplicated number is duplicated only twice, right? And the missing number is not there. So for example here, 2 is duplicated, right? And 3 is missing, so we return 2 and 3. Here we are supposed to have from 1 to n, so 1 to 2. 2 is missing and 1 is duplicated, so we return 1, 2. So that's the idea. Now how do we solve this? So first let's divide it into two parts. The first part is finding the duplicate number. Yeah, so we can divide this into two things. One is finding the duplicate number and the other one is finding the missing number. So let's see how we can do that. So finding the duplicate number should be just we can just take the list of numbers and take the list of unique numbers, so that would be 1, 2, 4, and just subtract. What we get in result would contain the duplicated number, right? Because the other ones occurred only once, and then it will take one of the instances of the duplicated number, and we will be left out with just this. So to find duplicate, it should be just the sum here, right, of this minus the sum of this, right? We can also like do list subtraction, but it's easier this way to get the exact number, right? Because this would be this one would go with this one, this 2 would go with this 2, this 4 would go with this 4, and then we are left only with the duplicate number, which is 2, right? So it's just the sum of numbers minus the sum of the unique numbers. To get the list of unique numbers, we just do set of numbers, right? Okay, so now we have the duplicate number. How do we find the missing number? So we know that the numbers are from 1 to n, right? So we can just have the list of numbers. So in this case, it's 1 to 4. So we can have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have the list of the other numbers, which is 1, 2, 4. Right? Unique numbers, right? We don't want the duplicated number because we are not interested in. So if we take the difference between the sums of these, we should get the missing number, right? Because we have the list of unique numbers, right? From 1 to n except the missing one. And here we have all of them including the missing one. So if we subtract the sums, we'll get the missing one, right? So that's pretty straightforward there. We can just say it's the sum of the numbers minus, not the numbers, we want the range from 1 to n here. So that would be the range from 1 to n. So in Python, to get to n, we need to do n plus 1. And what is n? N is just the number, the length of numbers. And then we need to subtract the unique numbers, so that's sum of this. Maybe to make this more readable, we can do like unique is equal to this, right? And here we just subtract this, and this is n, just to make this more readable here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it to get the missing number. Now the problem wants us to return both, so duplicate first and then the missing one, and that should be it. So let's run this. Okay, let's submit. Okay, so that passes test cases. Now in terms of time complexity, we are doing O(n) here with the sums. For each one of them, it would be at most O(n), so overall it's O(n) time. We are also using this set here and this sum of range here. So it's O(n) space as well. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's problem. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.